Colton.
Welcome to Two Crazy Kids TV.
So today we're going to show you our brand new business card.
Yay!
So
And this is the box. Show them the side, Crazy Colton.
Side, seriously.
And then that's our business card.
Okay.
So we're going to open it up and we're going to show you what the business card is. After Crazy Colton opens it up. Well, he's pulling one out, so woo. Now, here's our business card. Get that up close to the camera, Crazy Dad.
Alright, here we go.
Okay.
There's 500 business cards in this. So, we got a lot of business cards.
So
what are you guys going to do with the business cards?
we're probably going to give them
To our
out,
classmates at school.
That's a good idea. That way they know where to go to.
and we're going to give it to, of course, you guys. So should we do something like who they get to have one if they like, maybe that, like the first one to subscribe on one of our videos.
Let's see if we can get the 50 subscribers.
Then we
And
will,
we'll send somebody one of the cards.
if they get,
And you guys can autograph it for them.
Yeah.
We would like to give a shout out to the ladies at
Copycat.
Copycat. They did our design. They printed them.
Yep.
If you guys have any needs, I'll post it in the description below.
Thank you,
Okay.
Copycats.
They put their name and their phone number. They do business cards. They do wedding invitations. They've got a really good price and they do good on their designing. We'd like to support these people for doing all their hard work.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
yeah, you're
So should we give out a shout out to the people who watch usually all of our videos or almost watch all of them?
That's a good idea. We could do a subscriber shout out. And I think we got 2 really special subscribers that watch all of our videos.
Yeah.
is Tori Witt and Billy Branch Homestead.
Woo! So should they be like the first ones to have one of our cards? Lest they like watch like almost usually watch them a lot.
Well, that's a good idea.
Well, we're going to shout out to all of our subscribers because we got 25 likes on every one of these videos.
So if you Billy Branch Homestead and Tori Whip, if you're watching this, you're going to get to have one of our brand new cards. So good job, and you guys can also have one.
Alright guys. Thanks
Please-
for watching.
Please subscribe and hit that like button.